Meghalaya government has unveiled an ambitious plan to transform Umiam Lake into a premier tourist destination, complete with enhanced facilities and helicopter services. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh, while giving details of the plans yesterday, said that the idea includes introducing new amenities, entertainment zones and upgraded accommodation to attract more visitors. Also said that Meghalaya government intends to relocate around 200 vendors in Kandailat area by July.
Parts of which are now with Tourism MTDC, parts of which are with Forest Department. So there's a very ambitious project to expand the MTDC, the units of the MTDC, probably introduce more facilities, more entertainment zones, and also upscale the present accommodation facilities available with Orchid Lake Resort.